Hello there, in today's video I will show you how to add divider line in Webflow. So without further ado, let's get started. So first open up your Webflow designer. After that you just have to simply select the section in which you want to add the divider. So for example, I want to add a divider line right below this post section. So what I will do is click on this plus icon on the top left corner. From here you have to drag this div block on the container or the section right below where you want to add your divider. So I will just simply add it right below the post section. Once you have added this div block, what you have to do is just simply go to the right menu, and here in the width you have to select percentage and you have to give it as 100% as width, and in the height you have to add the how much thick you want your divider line to be. You can add 1 or 2 pixel according to your needs. So I will just simply write 2 pixels. Once you have done that, you just have to scroll down, and under this backgrounds option you have to choose a color like a light gray. So I will choose color like something like this, and now your divider line is visible. Next thing you have to do is give it some margin so that it can create a spacing between two elements. So just simply scroll up and you will see this spacing option. Here just simply click on this top option, and then I will give it a margin of 24 from top and also 24 from the bottom. And that's it, your divider line is created. So that was the first method. Now if you don't want to use this div block, you can use the second method, which is using a border. So first you just have to select the container which after you want to create the divider line. So for example, again I want to create the divider line right after this post section. So what I will do is just simply select the container that contains this post. So you can also use the navigator to do it easily. So I will just simply select this container. Once you have selected the container, again go to the right property panel, and here you just have to scroll down, and here you will find border section. Here you just have to select this solid option from the styles. Then you just have to change the color of it, and then simply change the border to be only at bottom, so that the border will be only added to the bottom, not to the top or left or right. As of now the borders from left to right is also visible. To disable them, simply select the container, and then what you have to do is just simply first click on this right option and then change the width value to 0. Then select the top border and also change the option to 0. You just have to repeat this process except the bottom border, and that's it. Now your divider is added. Then you can also add a padding to add some margin or the spacing between the elements. So for the inside margin, simply you can use the padding option. So you just have to add a padding at a bottom. So I will just simply add 24 pixel as a padding. This will create space. And then for the bottom or after this element, you can use the margin, bottom margin. Also I will add 24 pixel as a bottom margin, and this will create some space, equal space between two elements. So that is how you can create divider line in Webflow. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.